All right. Day 45. The grind don't stop. Yeah. Thanks for the... Yeah, so welcome to day 45. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. See y'all comments. Good motivator. I appreciate everyone for watching. And as always, keep... if you enjoy the content, like, comment, subscribe. The usual. Today, I had some ideas on a few things. That being a few things. I wanted to redo a few things. So the operation design here is, I think, okay. But obviously I'm having trouble implementing delete, which is bad, right? So, hold on. Yep. I think it's just the issue with this right now is this right here, right? So first I need to obviously redo the local state again. And I decided, instead of having operations, first let's go run main.go. Or instead of having operations like this, I was thinking of having fractional indexes. Reason being, so like we could have 1.1, 2.0, and then we could have 1.5, and then in between. Now, obviously, I don't want to get too crazy with the like in betweens, but this will help with inserting in between stuff, right? And this will help. And these also represent like moments in time per se. Like this is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, you know? And the order of it will be just done by a dot sort, you know? Like we'll sort it. Maybe we can use a heap, but I don't really have a need to have the most frequent, like the smallest element. I mean, I guess, yeah, but it's not necessary. I mean, I could just use the dots. Like we have a sort function, JavaScript. Like, yeah, and that will be the local state. We'll just have fractional indexes. I think that will help with inserting, and then I will also have an easier time doing delete a little bit. I think I figured out a way to implement delete. So let's actually write this down. Readme. That's fine. These are way down on the thing. We finished local state rendering. We have this as well. Now we need to do is find a better way to find a better way, or actually we're not done with this. Yeah, let's do this. Let's do this. Whatever. Create a more complex definition of a character. These are, I guess there's like subcomponents to this. Fractional positions, right? Implement delete operation, undo slash redo operation, and then we'll handle collisions. I think these are the good place to conquer. I think we can do stuff here. I don't know what to do here. I know JavaScript has a weird sort of function. Fractional. So let's implement the fractional things. So we can just have this like this, right? Starting, right? And ever so as we go. Actually, no. Let's just, if it's insert, hold on. I need to figure out a better way to handle this stuff here. Let me host 3000. Hold on. So I'm gonna implement fractional scaling, but I think I'm doing this wrong. Why do I have a global, like, I think I'm implementing this wrong. Like, first, I think I should get the current. Get current. Is it cursor position context editable div. I didn't realize how complicated getting the position. Well, let me try to understand this does. Select node contents. Node, oh, there's some info. Labs, remove all ranges. Oh, this is the. Well, let's try that. Let's actually make get cursor position. Let's just copy this. Range here, cloned range, content. What is that? We can use this get selection method. Then this returns a selection option that represents the user selection using the current cursor position. We retrieve the first range of the selection by using get range at method. A range is a continuous part of any document object model, and in our case, it represents the location of the text cursor. We clone this range using close range, and all its content will we clone this range using clone range method and selects all contents. I guess this is the there. Okay, let's see. Hmm. Hmm. Wait, this is really useful. This is 1? Holy shit, this is very good. Use of closed network connection. Bro, why does it just keep saying that, bro? Huh. Okay. This is 1? Can I do... So if this is... What is this thing? I don't really understand this code. GPT, explain this to me. Can you explain this to me? Get selection, retrieves the current text selection in the document if no. A range represents a section of a content in the DOM. Get range retrieves the first range from the selection. Cloning the ranges so we don't modify the actual selection. Oh, okay. Select the entire contents of the editor. Set the end of the clone range to the cursor position instead of covering all text. Turn -1 so it 0 indexed. Should I return -1? Okay, I can use that low key. Get current. Oops. Okay. This actually might be better. I don't need to increment anything. But I'll make sure I'm using the right file. Yeah. Okay, this is 0. I just added. Okay, I gotta get rid of this for a second. I know this is bad, but instead of place it at the end, just how to set cursor position. And double div. Wait, this is doing it right now. This is what it's doing. We can just do previous previous position cursor get. I think that's way more useful. Previous cursor. I cannot spell cursor. Add range. So I can just do this then. Set position of range. Set start. Do I do? Set start of the position. Dude, I hate this freaking JavaScript stuff. We have the editor, we have the range object, we have the set object. Creates the range object. Okay, so set the position. Create object for selection. Get selection. and we just this prev position, and then set pause tag. Well, I don't need this, to be honest. Tag. Tag. Oh, wait, tag. I think it's because I'm doing it. Well, let me add one. Okay, so this is what I'm thinking about. Yeah, got it. Yeah, and then I put it on. Oh, what? I'm in focus. How am I actually handling that? My question is, parse float. Should I make this into a parse? And then This is really difficult. I'm trying to figure out. So this is 0, right? Or this is 0. Oh, what the? Bro, why do I keep getting use of closed network connection? I see, that makes sense. J. Yeah, I could just do cursor pause. I see. I don't really care about. Oh crap. Okay. I'm never really gonna index slice with the fraction, so it's fine. They're just gonna, let's call this pause. So I should do read local state. Locals. Okay, we'll do this later. First, let's get the current position, which is a floating point integer or floating point number, right? Let's worry about delete a little bit later. Right? So let's worry about insert. So we insert, we get the current position. But I have to make this more. How would the fractional scaling work? How would I do that fractional scaling? Like the fractional scaling. Like not fractional scaling, fractional index positions. Right? Like I can get the current instance. Like how would I check if this is already there? So this is the current. I guess +1. Right, if I get the current like index position, oh, this is annoying. How do I do this? Like the fractional scaling. All I care is just to add it in the thing, but how do I assign a fractional index? Like, how do I assign a fractional index? Like, okay, starting from here, that is 1 or technically 0, right? That is a 1. That is a 1. or 0. I put the thing there, now I'm at 1. 0, like where I'm at is 0, where I'm at is 1. Go through the local state. I can go through the local state. I can go through the local state, right? I can go through the local state. Check if that number exists. No, let's just loop through it normally. For let I local dot length plus oops. Right. Local state I dot is okay. What do I do with this? Local state dot position. If cur position equals that, right? Oh, okay, hold on. Then I should put it after it, or more specifically, next, which is just this. Right? Next. Right? Right? And then we'll say cont, not cont, we'll up to like, right? Let cursor position, not redefining it. Local. Right? Local position plus next. Divided by 2. There, I'm basically taking where I'm at. If I find someone that already is there, then take the next one plus where I'm at. Right? Plus where I'm at. Take the middle. And that's where I'm gonna be at. And then insert there. If I don't find any, then you're good. Whatever this is what it is. Okay. Now I just need to do this. Okay, who pushes shit? Okay, I don't want the value. I want the actual entire operation. And and I send it to the data. Before I send it, I'm gonna reflect my local state sort. But how do they know how to sort it? Sort a list of objects of a b a dot value b dot or position sort by value. Okay. Then all I have to do is for every data, right? Let data equal to stem to string. For every let I equal local state join length I plus plus data local state dot local state, what the fuck is this local state? Oh my god. I dot value, right? Then I will go and just data. Should do this. Place at the end of data Well, not. What am I saying? Place at the last previous cursor position. Okay, please work. Uh-oh. Why are they not fractional? Oh. That doesn't make sense. Hold on, that actually does not make sense. Uh-oh. That does not make sense. Hmm. What does parse float do again? Parse float. Oh my god, no. Make number into float. Ah. Wait, is that Python or fucking JavaScript? JavaScript. This is not a... That is not a fucking function. Wait, what? Parse float? Bruh. Okay, so parse float is what I'm looking for. Okay, convert number to convert number to float in JavaScript. How to convert? Okay, so it is This is a string though. It's a string. Bro, no way this is freaking it's GPT. How do I this is just syntax here. Parse float or chat GPT. How do I convert a JavaScript number to a like I want one, like I want 1 to 1.0. Oh. So I don't need necessarily to do this? Sure, fine. I guess they're all the same thing. I guess, right? I guess the comparison would be the same, which would be fine. Essentially, find the, if we already have a position like this, yeah. Let's do this. I shouldn't be increasing. I don't, it doesn't make sense. I shouldn't be increasing. I should be like dividing. Okay, guys, give me 1 second. Okay, we got something really messed up. Yes, it's the most recent, but no, it's not. It shouldn't freak up the or. Yeah, my issue is that it's increasing too much. I need to see this. Wait, what? Oh, yeah, I remember. This and... Huh? Oh, is it big? Hold on. Oh, okay, that's why they're off by 1. Wait, wait, hold on. Fine, I won't do this then. Negative size? What are we talking about? Oh, crap. Oh, wait. What? Oh, I see. There's an issue. We never enter. We were off by 1 because we never consider. We never considered. Okay, I see the issue. So like, if we go check here, this never enters. Essentially, I mean, I guess it doesn't. Like, I don't see the 0. They're not matched. 0 0 is not matched. Oh, okay. Why is that the case? I don't know why this is not working. I need to break this down. I realize the first one isn't gonna be in the. Is not gonna be in the array yet. At least local state. Like, this is on message. This is what. Well, yeah, I created it. And then I'm not gonna have anything to compare. I won't have anything to compare. Like, I guess if we're not empty. Should I add it to the before I send it? Should I? I don't want to get double stuff, you know. Yeah, maybe I shouldn't put it here. Or maybe I should put it here. Hold on. Wait. What is this gonna do? Nothing. I should add it, right? local state dot push operation. I feel like there might be a double push. Yeah, there's a double push. Okay, if there's a double push, don't add it here. Yeah, you're still not gonna like the first time I add something. This is not gonna be here. Like I'm not gonna enter this loop because 0 is less than 0. No, so it doesn't. It just stops. There's nothing to loop. Oh my god. Okay, maybe I'll do some like if length or if local state dot length equal length equals 0. Local state dot length. If we are nothing there, I mean, if there's nothing there, why should I do this? There's no reason to do this. You're the first person there. It's just my numbering is a little off. This is giving me 1 index. This should give me also normal index because I'm yeah. Yeah. What is this? Pause. Boom. I think it's some bullshit race condition. This is my guess. It listened for that. Okay, maybe I should do -1 because that's like it listened at. I already did the action, which yeah, like it did the action, right? I already did the action, yeah. Like the event has occurred, so technically I did write something, but or it detected the change. So would my cursor change after that? Maybe. I'm gonna do -1 just for the sake of that, right? Well, then it just makes it 0, right? This is index 0. What I just wrote was index 0. This should be again 0 again. Wait, what? This was 0. This was 0. And then it just flipped again because bro, what? Position 0.5. Oh, wait. Ascending order. I should have it ascending order. Right? Is it being sorted in ascending order? Oh my god, I'm gonna go insane. I'm stuck, guys. What do I do? Operation. Alright, this is 0. Instead of doing average, can I just do 0.01? Instead of taking the average. Oh my god. Wait, no. Maybe not 0.1, I'll just do 1. Why is it sorting that? It doesn't make sense. Oh my god, that is disgusting. I swear to god, I don't... This comparison is probably fucking me over, bruh. This fucking distorted property shit. What is going on right now? I'm getting this so wrong. Right. Oops. Sorry about the norm. Listen. This. Let me write this down. Alright, maybe I'm like overthinking. So as I listen, I can get the index, get the position, right? Which will give me a one index space answer, right? But I don't get where because I get shifted over. Like what is it? I think this is 1, and then what I placed was where that was, right? So that basically I 1, right? Let's I don't even think this is necessary to have it 0 index because like it's not like I'm index slicing. Cursor position. And if the cursor position equals the someone else's position, then take that person's +1, do the next one. Okay, not +1. I want +1 here. This, I might get an error here. Okay. Bro. Just ridiculous. Oh my goodness. I don't know what I'm doing wrong here. Right? That's gonna be your new cursor position. This is really bad. Smallest means yeah, this is not time based, it's position based. Because just because I put this later, but doesn't mean this should be at the end, right? It's like messing up the order. Hold on. Maybe it's the way I'm rendering it. For every I, yeah, I should go in. Yeah, I should go in off like this order. Value? Yeah, value. Oh my god. Wait, what? This is not a while loop. Right, let data. I should be 14244. Hold on, I feel like it's the sort, bruh. I have a feeling this is the sort. I feel like it converts it into a string. Yeah, I have a feeling. But it's in alpha like the way I expect it though. It's in increasing order. Or as I'm assuming actually. Let's see the last one. Yeah, this is exactly how I expect the list to be. I'm gonna do one less because I don't want it to be out of bounds. All right, let's do one more test. Yeah, that doesn't make sense. I don't know why it's sorting like that. Oh, wait. Oh, 1, 2, 3. That was an error right there. We have 2 duplicate numbers. That should not be happening. Like, we shouldn't have 2 of the same values. So that means it's wrong. Yeah, it's sorted again. That's my issue. I don't... If I'm putting in between 1 and 2, right? So what will happen here? I create... So I'm here. I'm here. I should never have the same 2 index values. So I get the current position, right? My math or something. I'm curious on what this is. That should not happen. That shouldn't happen. I guess it's never entering the thing. So this current position is never ever is not it's not comparing. Oh, yeah. I see the issue. They never match. So I never get this damn... They never match. Why though? Why is that the case? They never match. I never get to enter the if statement. I never get to enter the if statement for some reason. Maybe it's this thing. Yeah, I'm never entering the if statement. Oh, never mind. Oh, never mind. I'm stupid. You have to put it in between. But the math is not mathing. Okay, yeah, it makes more sense. Well, yeah. Try again. Oh. Oh. It's like flipping. I don't know why. And then hold on. They start to never it's like only sometimes. Fractional index. I need to look at more theory for this. I saw this YouTube video that I want to check out. No. Fractional. Fractional indexes. Programming. Okay. Collaborative text editing project. I know there's, yeah, real time. How to build this guy. He I think he talked about
every operation. We process that buffer, and then at the end of every operation, also we relay that operation. I think they call this the gossip protocol. The trade-off you make is that that position is no longer just an integer. It's a list of values now, so it can grow in size. So the trade-off is space that you're making there. There's a lot of academic papers that talk about how to reduce the growth of this trade-off. We use an adaptive ID allocation strategy called LSEC, which does a good job of minimizing the growth of space with collaborative text editing. So let's see how this changes our other example. So now, when you insert a character between the C and the A, it's going to use a fractional indice. So it's going to insert at 2.5 in this example. So the key is that no matter what happens on the other user's side, it doesn't affect the fact that the O is going to be placed between the C and the A. It's always going to be in the same position on all users' documents. And the order of operations no longer matters.
Yeah, that is true. I need to do that. I also need to identify who did what. But I can do that. I can implement that later. I just want to get the fractional indice.
So to sum things up, while a basic text editor and operational transformation to use site ID, which is a unique site ID, and site counter properties to every character that we created. And the key is that if you increment that site counter whenever you create a new character, then you ensure that every character in the entire system is globally unique. So let's see how this changes our earlier example. So for the purpose of the example, I've simplified the global IDs to be just integers. The key is that they're unique. And now when you do an insert or delete, when you do delete, you don't delete by the position. You delete by the global ID. And that way, when that delete operation gets sent to the other users, there's no way they can delete that same character because it doesn't exist. There's only one version of that ID.
Brilliant. That's good to do. Maybe I'll also add that too. But I can't. I gotta figure out this fractional stuff.
So we've got that idempotency that we wanted.
Coding. It's gonna be a long video today, guys. I know I can do this today.
Now, before I talk about that second property, I want to quickly review this. So the point I made here was that when you're inserting or deleting a character in a basic text editor, you potentially have to shift every other character's position, and that kind of leads to our operations being order dependent. We can avoid this by using what's called fractional indices, as opposed to numerical indices. So the key is here that when a user wants to insert an O between the C and the T at position 1, it doesn't actually care that it's at position 1. It just wants to be between the C and the A. And so we can insert it anywhere between the C and A, anywhere between 0 and 1, let's say 0.5.
I think I have a different way of doing this. Instead of detecting where I'm at, okay, so I've detected where I'm at, right? Like I haven't necessarily, I don't know, whatever. It's always by 1, I guess. Right, it's like by 1 or something. So we get the cursor position, right? And then, so I get the cursor position, take the local state. He seems like he's taking the average between the two. So okay, if I'm understanding this correctly, I will have the same 1, 2, 3. I will take this one. Okay, I see. Like I'm gonna always, no matter the cursor index will always give me cursor position will always give me the smallest one of where I was, right? I'll get a 3. So essentially, once I detect I'm in there, right? Once I'm detecting, okay, I've detected that I'm here, I can just do, right? Current, so let's console, let's do local state I dot position. So this is previous, next. Shouldn't that be the same case here? I would literally break it. I'll go +1 and then I'll go out of it. Like this would break, I'm pretty sure, but I don't know. Just because that exists, I'm gonna do 1 minus 1. Right? Just do -1, okay? Right? So then I take average. So cursor position, we take the average, which say next plus prev divided by 2. And that will give me my desired fractional index. Wait, hold on. One, two, three, 4. Shouldn't be sorted. I don't know why it's doing that. Okay, see, now we're not doing the thing again. What is this really returning? When I put this, what number am I getting? One, two, three. What do I get here? Oh, the fuck is a fault? Oh. Cursor pause and local pause. So I'm getting 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna put a 5. 3 compared to 1, 4 to compare to 1, 4 compared to 1, 4 compared to 1, 2, 3. Maybe I feel like I'm gonna get a index out of error though. There you go. I def plus 1 is not defined. So this is a 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a 1. Oh, that's not a. Oh, this is a 1. What is this? 1? Oh my goodness. I think that would be a 1. So I do that fractional scaling. So that'll be a 1. Am I cooking? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bro, why does it do that? I don't know. It's the position thing again. Next is what? I'm here. No need to do this. If, right, there's no need to do this if I have no neighbor. Just take whatever position I got, right? What wouldn't, if they're equal, how about now? I don't know why this is not working, bro. I don't know why my fractionals are fucking over. Hold on, did I have the right stuff too? Alright, let's like not do this. What? 0, 0. Local. Who got 0 twice? Oh. Okay, who's sorting right now? Wait, some sorting, right? If I'm sorting, should I be sorting right now? What? Why am I getting 9? Why is it position 3? I am position 1. Okay, hold on. I did the -1. Okay, let's just go by 1, right? This is a 1. This is a 2. See, we get it. Why are they different? Oh, okay, yeah, makes sense. But if I put it here, what is the current position here? Current position is 2 equals 2. And then, okay. Take the current position, get the next value. Get the, I don't think, get the next value. Get the next value. Next position. So get the next value. So 2 2. So yeah, 2 2. I would get this one. That's where I put that, and I also am. And then so I just broke out all and then just incremented. Yeah, that doesn't make sense. The next isn't the plus one. Next is this. And I should check the previous one. And then let's try again. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, I think it worked. And the order is insane. Exactly. Am I too excited right now? This should be current. Oh my god, I think I figured it out. I don't know. No, I didn't. What the fuck? No, undo that. What just happened? What? I thought I had it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9. Oh my god. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 8. Okay. 4. Okay, why are we having that again now? No. I thought I had it, bro. I really thought. Wait, why did that work first? Right. This position now. Which is the same thing as cursor pause. I don't need to do this. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want a 9. It works. Another 8. It doesn't work. Why? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9. Doesn't work. As soon as I put something in between the in between, it gets ridiculous. Oh. Oh, I think I know why. Because when I'm doing this, right? I think I know the issue. The issue right now is, right? The issue right now is, okay, we have, let's say we have this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? And I want to put 8. Like right here. I want to put 1, 2, 3, 4. It's gonna calculate the same average. So do I get the same decimal? Do I calculate the same decimal? Do I calculate the same decimal? Like, that's why it only works like one at a time. Go run main.go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 8. See, what happened there? I got a 3.5 this time. No, I'm gonna go to the same exact number I calculated the first time. Right? I'm gonna run out of freaking index spots. Okay, like I'm trying. I basically I think I calculate the same like index spot, right? That works fine, right? Then I do it again. Why is it still working fine? Oh, oh my god. This is based off cache. Oh, no, it should not be doing that. I see why. Okay, my logic here is bad. If I'm understanding this correctly, this is gonna always give me what? this is always going to give me 1. All right, this is going to give me just the position 1, right? This is always 1, right? Exactly. That is always 1. Like, where the number 1 is, this is 1. That's 1. So if that is 1, then that is 1. If that's 1, what I want to do is, and that then currently where I'm on right now is 2, right? 2, 3. So that where 2 is, right? That's 2. So this is 1 right now. This is a 1. So I just want basically so if I have 1, 2, 3, this is still 2? Well, my math will like take the average. No, I should take I don't know what I'm trying to do. Should I take the next value? Like, if this is the cursor, this is the 1. I'm on cursor position 1. This is cursor position 2, cursor position 3, right? What I want to say, I want this and this. So what I basically what I'm on, right? Right? Plus the next value. Also, I'll just check if right? We'll worry about right? This is a 1. Take what this, let's just make it so that I can always calculate the average, even though it won't make a difference, right? Take the previous, no. What I need is next, right? Next, the next value, which is 2. I want the 2, so take the current position plus next, right? So the current position and then next. That will give me, not the current, I want next. I want next plus current position, which you're saying 2 plus 1, 2, 2, plus 1 divided by 2, and I'll get a 1.5. Valid. So now a 1.5 is going to enter here, right? Right. A 1.5, or let's say I added the value 3, 2, 3, 4. This is a 1.5. This is a 1, 2, and I'll be here. And the cursor would be push 1. If I wanted to do it here, I would get a 1. Right, this is still a 1. Right, that'll still be a 1. Get what I'm at right now, 1 plus 1.5 divided by 2. Plus 1 divided by 2. I would get a 1.25. I'll get 1, 1.25, 1.5. So yeah, that's the theory. I'm just inserting where I need to insert. Next plus cursor pause divided by 2. Now, what if it's the case where I'm here? Like right here. So I would get a 4, right? And I plus 1. I feel like there's a way to not... Right? I wanted to add it here, right? I could just do it in this. I guess it's not that efficient, but if the cursor pause... if the cursor pause is here... If the cursor pause is here... Right, I would get the 4, and I'll try to get plus 1, right? I plus 1 is greater than or equal to I'll just say equal. Local state length I plus 1 equals local state. I plus 1 equals local state. I plus 1 equals local state. La 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 la. Then don't even calculate the average. Just deal and break. I feel like I did this before. I don't know why this is coming again. Let's now test the logic. Go run main.go. 1, 2, 3. My God, it's not running. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, hold on. We have those stuff, the new logic. Yep. So I have a 1, 2. I'm gonna add a 3. Bro, why the fuck is that happening? That's so stupid. I'm gonna crash out, man. Maybe this is because I'm working with this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. Bro, it's the same shit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. No. Why does this not work? If they are the same position, right? We have hit the same part, right? Right? Why? I don't understand this. This does not make sense. Oh, I think I'm putting it after the cursor. Am I putting it after the cursor? Look, I'm gonna put the 7. Like, after the 8? Yeah. Oh, I think I'm putting it after the cursor, so then just do it like this then. Am I doing it after the cursor? If that is after the cursor, right? Wait. I put the 8. Okay, I'm gonna put a 7. Why is it flipping? Where's the 7? A 5? Oh. Why did it increment? Shouldn't it be a... I think it was a 4. Yeah. Oh. Okay. This is a new... This is a new curve, right? 1, 2, 3. Current person. It's always a new... Okay, if it's always new, if the current position is always new, I don't need a freaking check if it's equal. It's only when I add here. So weird. Okay, I need to really think about this. I don't know why I'm not understanding my problem. If I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a... This cursor is 1. Or is it here? This is a 1. This is the red is the cursor. That is a 1. Where I'm at is a 1 because when I add the character, the number 1 will be there. Oh my god, this is so frustrating. I don't know why I can't think about the... Okay, let's break this down again. Right? The cursor position. The cursor pause. If here's the thing, the cursor position will never equal one of those yeah, I think I figured it out. The cursor position will never equal one of those fractional, like I won't ever equal, I won't hit here. I'm gonna, right? Like let's say I was in between 1.5 right here. What I would add here. I will never be able to, I'll be rounding towards 1 and 2 and then calculating 1.5 again, essentially. Oh, shoot. So the way I'm getting my cursor is really bad. That's probably my issue. Maybe I can add something. I just realized a cursor will never get a fractional index. I gotta ask GPT this. Get cursor position. So that's GPT. So with this logic, I will never get fractional cursor position, correct? So say for example, cat, let's assume it's in between C and A, it wouldn't be it won't be 1.5, it would be 1, right? It doesn't count for the fractional position that might exist in a graphical rendering between letters due to kerning or variable width. Okay. 1, not visual spacing. That actually messes up my thing. It messes up my logic, because I will never I won't, like, if I'm in between something, I'm gonna get the closest value C, the closest one. Would there be a better way? Would there be a better way to get it? Pixel? This gives you the cursor pixel rather than the character index. Yes, the normal credit measures pixels, estimates the fractional position by dividing the If your goal was to handle fractional positions for advanced text editors, something like this would be needed. Okay. So my get cursor position is trash. It's too strict. You need a more precise cursor position that accounts for precise cursor position content editable div javas. Okay, let's see. How would the fractional positioning even be got? Even get? How would the fractional positioning get created? I'm curious. What is it? Let's what does see the like? I want to see. Get fractional. Right? Then that means if it's a fractional, then I don't even need to do this like calculation. Right? I just want to see this console.log. Oh, it's a. I need to pass something in. Oh. Get. I guess this wouldn't be. Right, and I don't need this. Console.log cursor pause. The problem still happens. I'm still gonna run into like the same position that already exists. My god, how the fuck do they do? The problem is still gonna exist. I don't think this solves it. What the hell? Is yeah, the freaking problem doesn't change anything. This is actually way hard. Wait, it's not gonna change because I'm still have to deal with those numbers. I still have to deal with those like same like number distance. How would I deal with this? Get cursor position. Yeah, okay. My logic is bad. Like I need to get a fractional, like I will run into the same number. Right? Maybe I have to go in, I have to go like deep. like this and this. Yeah, this theory, my thing would work. It's just the only issue is that if I wanted to put something in between here, right? I couldn't because I don't. No, the math should work. The offset should work. It's just the only issue I won't be able to detect it. I see. I think now I can do this. I should add more information. Character ID. And then I should just find by character ID. Well, you know, if I'm making a new thing, then it doesn't make sense. I'll do this later. If I'm making something new, it doesn't make sense. I don't get what I'm supposed to do here. Right, you guys get what I'm saying here? I don't know. You know what? I think it's 2 hours. This is the longest time I coded. I'll think of a solution tomorrow. I don't want to. I'll have a plan for tomorrow, or maybe I'll do some off coding to get it done because I want to get to like other parts of the code, and it's getting too long. But anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you for tomorrow's videos. Like, comment, subscribe, and yep, peace.